In this video, you're going to learn how to use FlyMSG, a text expander and writing assistant tool inside of HubSpot. Before we get started, make sure you subscribe to this channel. And if you're on YouTube, check the alert notification button here. Follow me into HubSpot. So let's pretend that you're using HubSpot to do all of your CRM with your customers. And inside of HubSpot, you want to build out these messages or use these messages anywhere. Now you might say, well, wait a minute, doesn't HubSpot have a tool called templates and snippets? Yes, they do. The one problem is it only works inside of HubSpot and in Gmail. It does not work if you're at Outlook.OfficeShop. It does not work if you are prospecting or engaging on LinkedIn. It also does not work if you are using HubSpot for sales and you've got Zendesk or Drift as your chatbot and Zendesk as your service platform. So the problem is it doesn't work everywhere. That's the key to FlyMSG, is that it works everywhere. So I'm inside of an email and I'm just going to use an introduction email that based upon someone having referred me. So let's just pretend that my friend Felipe has introduced me to this person right here, Mario Martinez, which happens to be me. And I'm going to now respond with my standard message that I would use as an introduction to a referral. I'm going to type in dash intro FU for follow-up. And right inside of here, you can see my Giphy that I've added. And you can also see that I've got my template inside of here. Let's pretend also that I'm on the service desk and I want to respond via a message to change your plan. All right, no problem. I'm going to do dash CHGPLANS for change plans. And inside of here, all I got to do is come inside and put, hey, this is going to be John. Felipe has introduced me to John, and he wants to know how to change his plan. Well, there you go. I can attach Giphy images. I can attach regular images, and I can put my content right inside of here and hit send and go. Now, the reason why I cannot do send here is because I got to put a subject line. That's the HubSpot requirement. So as soon as I type something inside of there, you can see that the button turns orange and I can now send. With that in mind, this is how you can use HubSpot to scale. It could be through notes, as an example, where you might be adding in notes for an agenda inside your calls that you're taking notes on. It could be an email response. It could be the service desk. It doesn't matter. And the best part is this same exact shortcut, AKA FlyCut, works everywhere online, including in Gmail. So I now have one tool that allows me to work everywhere that I traverse online.